This is analysis for August week 4 of Gbpcad. And basically what happened last week was I did a recap on it, but what happened was this intraday bullish momentum didn't last, so price actually did create a lower high on daily, and then we rejected it again, and then on Friday we had a nice sell-off. So daily made a lower high, so it's highly probable to print a new low, right? So we're currently at this level, 1.7260 psychological round number, plus it's a perfect level right there. Over here we had several price behavior activity, and so it's safe sells if price stays below this level. And what's the next level we can go to? Right here, 1.7160, which is also a round psychological number. Gbpcad loves these round numbers, and there's price activity here, rejection right there, right? So that would be the new low target at the weekly and daily level, right? But to get there, first we would have to do a liquidity grab, right? So price would need to create a lower high. Since we're forming lower highs and lower lows, we need to form a lower high. We formed the low at this key level, but we need to form a higher low to continue, right? And then there's also this weekly level down here, 1.7000. So if this level breaks 1.7160, then we would head down here, right? But we're just gonna watch these levels as they come. So and this from here to here trend line. So this is first tap, second tap, and then we could possibly get a third tap, but we'll see how it works. So I'm just gonna go and create these levels and show you how I came up with that analysis. Cool. So start monthly. We see monthly has rejected this area, correct? Every time we reject this area, we usually go down here, right? Look at that right there. Cool. So let me just start off with in daily. So you can see that we have this clear supply zone here. We're gonna go from the top of this wick to there and then extend that out. Cool. All right. When we're looking at daily, all right, daily, let's add candle bodies, right? So we got that, and then I'm gonna go into, there's a support right here because of this candle bodies price activity there as well, right? Solid support, another support level right there, because you see these daily candles all close below here, these 3 daily candles, and then we got another one. Now we got another one right there, right? And then so basically one second. Also, there's also this bullish trend line that was going on in daily. So we can start from here, right? You see how that's looking. Or even I think if you can extend it like that, but we'll fix it in 4 hours. I'm gonna move this down a little to get this for a tap. Cool. Okay. So now we're at this key level, right? As per the analysis, right? Also, I forgot to label this level right here. How I got this level was 1 point. So it was like, see how there's activity here. I'm just gonna round it. Oh fuck, sorry. 6. Yeah. I'm just gonna round it off right there. So these candles closing below, right? Okay. So let me extend this out. Essentially, if this trend line is in fact broken, this daily trend line, because see, it was a solid trend line here, then we went up, right? Came back down, rejected again, went up, came back down, 4-hour close, and then we had a full bullish move. Cool. So now that we're back, so see, even here we rejected, went up, but we see that I'm just gonna round this off. 450, right? So we see that we closed, saw rejection, then we came back on Friday, rejected, and then made a new low. So essentially, the move that happened on Friday was forming that lower high on daily. So we see how we had a high, we had a lower high, we made a new low, now we had another lower high, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles weren't able to break above here, and then the fifth daily candle dropped, secure, so forming a lower high. So now we need to form a new low, but we know that price does liquidity grabs to generate more order flow. And where could that be? So we have an intraday level right here, right? There's price behavior right there, price behavior right there. So it's possible that, like I said, we come up to that level before dropping down, create that higher wick, create that upper wick on weekly. But if we do stay below 1.725, then we can like head down like that, or we'd go up, retest here, and then come back. Okay. In case we also have this level right here, right there. So we would have to basically remain either so the trend line just seems like it's broken, so retest and then down. There's this key level here intraday, so we could use that. But safe sells would obviously be below here, then we continue down to this area, and then if this breaks, then the next one would be this weekly level over here, 1.700. Super round numbers, so that would actually work out very nicely. And then if this broke, then we would continue down further. But what we would be watching for first is a liquidity grab anywhere here, maybe even go up to here and then down. So just watching these levels as they come. These are the levels I'll be using for the week, because you see right here, price behavior right there, 4 hour, even here. It's not always perfect, but usually when there's high volume during the session opens and session times, it usually respects these levels exactly. Like even here, this was pre-London on Friday, and exactly respected 1.7450. So essentially, this is what I'll be watching for. I do think we're going to be bearish at the end of the month, and we're going to continue this bearish momentum, but we're just going to have to watch as levels come. And I'm learning as I go every day, but that's why I've been doing this analysis lately, just so I can improve my own craft. But like I said, possible liquidity grab, lower high formation for continuing down either at this level or even up here, that we would retest this trend line, right? We retest this trend line right here and then continue down. But yeah, but this bullish structure does seem it's broken, right? We were maintaining it, highs, right? Highs, create a new high, but then now we're low, higher, lower high, new lower low, lower high on daily. What's possible? Lower low maybe, right? Create a new low here, maybe here. So yeah, just gonna be watching these as they come. And yeah, just another short video on Gbpcad analysis for August week 4th, 2020.